Hi everyone, welcome to my channel again. Today I like to show you the unboxing of blue wireless uh, mouse and keyboard. The name of the company is Beny. I think this is the Chinese product. The model is BM8900. So before unboxing, I like to show you the back page of this box. Here you can see sorry, this keyboard has three colors. One is red, black and blue. Blue one is nice. So in the font, this one is so red, so that means the inside the box the keyboard and mouse is also red. So let's start. Okay, here we go. So here I have mouse and also two battery, pencil battery. It's really nice and cool. Then this one keyboard. Sorry. This is really nice keyboard. Red color, really cool and sexy. So, and here one menu of how to use this wireless mouse and keyboard. Here is some instruction, and this is also I think warranty card. All is written in Chinese, so I cannot understand. Here's some instruction how to insert battery and use this mouse and keyboard in your laptop and desktop. So I skip this step. There we go. Here one battery chamber. You also you only need one battery for this keyboard. Here I am inserting one battery which I have with this laptop with this keyboard. So I am inserting. I think my keyboard is ready. Oops. Sorry. Now I am inserting battery inside the mouse. This is the device which you need to connect with your laptop. Just insert this in your USB port. I'm inserting this in my USB port. Okay. Just plug and play. Yeah, and now I'm inserting battery, one battery for mouse. Done. This will automatically connect with your laptop. Yeah, here you can see I'm using this mouse. Watch. Here you can see this is my mouse and this is the cursor of my laptop. Just right click. There we go. So I need some space. Refresh this. Yeah. Now here you can see I am clicking Windows button. Yeah, it's working. Array button. Yeah, it's working. So that's all. I hope you like this mouse and keyboard and also the tutorial. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.